Hi, quick question. Have you ever been outside playing sports or just in the heat and you get really sweaty and kind of smelly? Well, that's normal.
Do you know some things you can do to help keep your body clean and fresh? Could you take a shower or a bath? Could you put on some deodorant? Maybe you could put on clean clothes every day. That's right, you can do all of those things to stay clean and fresh and have good hygiene. Today I'm going to show you how to put on deodorant. Let's take a look.
The first step is to grab your deodorant. Then remove the cap, which will look a little different depending on the type of deodorant you have. Lift one arm up and using your other hand, glide the deodorant along your underarm or your armpit. Then lower that arm and switch to the other side. Using your other hand, glide the deodorant on your underarm. Then you can replace the cap. Let's take a look at the steps again at a different angle. Remove the cap, lift one arm up, glide the deodorant over your armpit. Then lift your other arm up and glide the deodorant over that armpit. Then replace the cap and voila, nice and fresh.
Thanks for following along with me and looking at the steps for how to put on deodorant. Now click this video up here to learn some other hygiene skills and don't forget to practice at home. Bye.